Hello everyone, today is 11th of April. So today we are around our cost only. So I had actually recorded a live trading video of where this is my first position, but since that position went a little wrong there, and thereafter I took some loss recovering trades. So in order to just discuss the whole trade at once, I'm just re-recording. Okay, so let us discuss the trades. Okay, if you look into the orders, we look at Bank Nifty put option around 941 and exited around 10.5. Okay, 941, if you see somewhere around this candle we took a put option. Okay, so first of all the logic behind that was, see, first of all the market has given these red candle. Okay, the first of all the market actually gave a good breakout, market gave a good gap up, so whoever these buyers would be, they are actually safe. Okay, so market cannot really target these buyers. Okay, and thereafter it gave us some big red candle. Okay, so these buyers must have booked their profit because already the market sentiment is negative, if you see from yesterday's chart, and if they are getting that much profit, they obviously would be booking it. Okay, and thereafter we see that the market has slowly started moving upside. Actually in the live trade also, all them not putting it because unnecessary there is a long video that will become a long video. So here actually there was not much of conviction here. I will explain you why. Because here what is happening is, whoever would try to sell with this big red candle, market is slowly eating their stop losses. Okay, and slowly market made a upside momentum. Okay, now whoever would these sellers would be, they have booked their loss in here. Okay, thereafter what is happening is, when market is giving this trend line breakout, okay, which trend line it is, if I go into 45 minutes chart, this is a very long trend line that the market has created. Okay, so when the market actually start breaking out here, and although Nifty at that time, if you see around 941, Nifty at that time was still looking strong. Okay, but still it has I just tried there to I just entered a put option there, but there actually I knew that here when the market created these two red candles, here actually the market was creating sellers. That time I already knew, and thereafter I was not expecting that the market would continuously go like this. Okay, why? Because actually I don't think that the buyers would be being accumulated there. Although I am saying this now, but actually I have explained this in live trade also, but that I am not putting up. So here the buyers would have not actually started to gather up. What I thought here, that the buyers would be entering here, then the market can go down. At the same time, I was also thinking that the market cannot continuously go down because here there are not much of stop losses, and already this kind of momentum, this is looking little weak. Okay, so the sellers can immediately come. So that time the only way was, if the market starts making green candle and slowly starts coming down, just like yesterday. Okay, if you see the yesterday's chart, the kind of this, not this much volatile, but somewhere like this, slowly upside and majorly downside. Okay, market came up till here also, we see around 1300 profit, but thereafter as we know that the market sellers stop losses are upside. As soon as the market hit this stop loss, we exited our position. We actually exited our position early because at that time we knew that if you see 361 and 320, almost 40 point loss, around 2000 in 50 quantities. Okay, so that time I exited because I knew that this might happen. We didn't took our complete loss, and in next trade, out of my impulsive nature, I just took one more put option because I just look into this impulsive green candle, thereafter a good red candle. Okay, but thereafter I immediately exited, just 10 points, around 2600 loss we had at that time. At that time, if you see here around 10.5, Nifty was also given a good breakout. Okay, so and also this one was a really good breakout, so that's why I re-entered into position, but that also went wrong. Okay, thereafter what we did was, we lost that we took was around 2600, but around at most 1000 we have a limit. Okay, so here what we did was, we made a put entry in Nifty then, after waiting like around half an hour, almost 20 minutes here. So we took a Nifty put option around 1027. Let us see that 1027 is somewhere around these red candles, okay, and Bank Nifty at around 1027 is somewhere around its high, okay, somewhere around here. So Bank Nifty has given a breakout. Whoever would have sold in this big red candle, they got trapped in this move. Whoever tried to buy in this move, they got trapped here, and whoever tried to sell there, market gave again big bullish momentum. Okay, now in this kind of momentum, what really happens is the people actually try to enter again and again. Okay, this is that kind of market. Okay, so here if you see in Nifty, when we see that the Nifty has tried to accumulate sellers here. Now all the remaining logic is based on this simple logic only. Nifty has started shooting upside, okay, and Bank Nifty, if you see, Bank Nifty also gave a breakout. Okay, so people sentiment is positive. So but what is happening here is, here if you see, Nifty is waiting here. So tell me people, who will be coming here? If you see around time if you see 10:15, somewhere around here, Bank Nifty is giving breakout, and Nifty is also given these types of momentum. So who, and market is waiting with these candles, who will be coming? Clearly buyers will be coming, right? So that's why I made an entry somewhere around here. Once I see that a good red candle, I had to wait. I did not made a position here because already I was sitting in a good loss. I had to be very much confident in this, right? So that's why I took a trade in here, and somewhere and re-entry 1034, and somewhere around 1041 we exited. Okay, 1041 somewhere around here, I think somewhere here in this red candle I had to exit, because that was a loss recovering trade, that was not meant to be complete trade. Okay, so that's why I entered after a complete confirmation. I had to exit early also. Okay, so that was the first trade. That again, the trade logic was simple. See, the market has given this breakdown also, this trend line breakdown if you saw, but even though market came down here, why? Because the market sentiment here, market has accumulated buyers here and giving breakout in both the indexes. Okay, so that's why we took a put option here in Nifty. Okay, next we took a call option in Bank Nifty, if you see, at 10:52 and exited around, in nutshell, around 11:03. Okay, let us look into that trade. 10:52 is somewhere around here. Now I will explain you here. Market has given breakout and the market has started to come down. Now the same logic applies here. At around 10:52, what is Nifty doing? Nifty has continuously started to come down. Bank Nifty has given a breakout and started to create this type of pattern here. Now this is a tempting bearish pattern, and also Nifty was already in a negative momentum. So who will come, people? Again, tell me. First, bank here also what is happening is Nifty is waiting here. Sorry, Bank Nifty is waiting here after giving this breakdown. Okay, so you can guess who will be coming, right? Again, sellers would be coming. Okay, so that's why we made a call option here. Even after having a loss, I entered into a call option here. Although I had kept a very small stop loss somewhere around here. So the idea was simple: false breakout, and thereafter these types of candles where the market is waiting. If the market had to really go down, the market should have immediately come down. Why didn't it wait? Okay, there is one more logic why I made a call option. If you draw a trend line, a wedge pattern like this, this I have repeated many times. So here what is happening, if the market really wants to go downside, I have repeated this in my previous videos a lot of time, market should give a tempting green candle so as to accumulate buyers here. Okay, and thereafter the market can sharply come down, but that also did not happen. If you see this type of wedge pattern that I draw, market just took a resistance and tried to give this give this breakdown. Okay, and market is waiting here, so we made a call option, and somewhere around here I actually exited. Okay, because again I was actually we could have waited here for more, market would go actually well, I was waiting that if I extend this trend line, market can go up till here, but anyway, that much target I cannot expect. That would be too much at most, and that too with these green candles. Again, the market is actually waiting here, right? So somewhere here I actually exited. Okay, now thereafter again I entered into a Nifty put option around 11:12. 11:12 was somewhere around in these red candles. Again, these are all the same reason, people. 11:12 again, Bank Nifty what is doing? I told you again, right? These waiting, well, it gave this red candle at that time, and thereafter it shooted up, but I took a Nifty put option. Market again is giving waiting here with small candles with a breakout. Okay, and at that time, who will be coming again? Because at that time Nifty also showed this momentum. Okay, so who will be coming again? Clearly buyers would be coming, right? So that's why I made another quick entry around here 11:12, and I thought to, although I exited around 11:21, but I actually thought to wait for more, wait for a little longer. Actually, if you see in this red candle only I exited, but that time I knew that the market can actually get take either support from here, can reverse from here, or it will break down here. Although I am saying, although the chart is obvious here, but that time I had this in my mind. Okay, since we already around green. Okay, so these many trades it is not good to take. Okay, and yeah, that's why I exited. Suppose after this if I again go into losses, then the psychology would be totally destroyed. Okay, so it's good to exit here. Okay, so yeah, today the market was actually a little difficult because this slow momentum, you don't know what actually the market will do. What suddenly it will give a big red candle, suddenly it will go give a good green candle. And also bank nifty and nifty for past couple of days are not very much syncing up really. Okay, one is moving too much upside and one is times going downside. If you can see the from the past previous days, here you see that the market is moving upside, and but in bank nifty it was giving this type of momentum, right? So yeah, currently the market is little difficult, that too today also. So it is best if we have reached our stop loss limit to hold there, or otherwise if we are somehow fortunately if we are in green, that is a good position to exit. Okay, so yeah, that was all the trade today. I won't be trading anymore today. Okay, thank you people.